VP Online AI Work Breakdown Structure Generator helps you start your work planning and divide tasks clearly. In VP Online, log into your workspace. Click the Create with AI button, Work Breakdown Structure to open the generator. Enter the description of your project. If you are unsure what to include, you can just include the topic to get inspiration from the AI tool. Then, press the Generate Work Breakdown Structure button. A diagram will be generated below. Adding more detail to your description can fine-tune the result. Generate the diagram again to apply the updates. You will see the newly added items included in the structure. Click the View or Edit Diagram button to further customize it. All text content in the diagram is editable. For the design, you can manually adjust the settings or apply a preset theme. Under Base Style, adjust the settings for all nodes. You can also customize individual nodes under Node Style. When finished, export the diagram in the format that fits your needs. Or save it to your workspace for future use.